First of all, you should decide where to install Ubuntu. If you are new to it and not feeling ready to make it your main operating system or to mess with a dual boot system, the obvious way to go would be installing it on a virtual machine. We'll cover virtual machines in a bit more detail at the end of the series, but basically, hypervisors allow you to create a virtual PC on your host system. This system shares the physical resources of the host. This way, you can install a completely different operating system on your host environment. For example, on a Windows system, you can create a VM that runs Ubuntu Linux Desktop. The number of VMs you can create depends on the resources of the host, like the amount of CPU, RAM, and storage available. Even running one VM isn't cheap, so a multi-core system with at least 4 GB of spare RAM and 30 GB of disk space would be the minimum I'd recommend. There are different hypervisors you can use, but I'd go with VirtualBox as it is free and works just fine.